About to go horribly wrong. Here we now, back again sooner than anticipated. Been riding some big bike freestyle at the compound today, but there's a bit of a headwind, so it's a bit boring. So someone had a good idea to get these things out, so we might do some head-to-head racing on the track, and someone's definitely going to fall off. Hopefully it'll be one of them too. We'll see. Watch his space. Left the can. Here it comes. Right, so we're going to do some head-to-head. Hey, that was me, gentleman part. We're going to do some head-to-head racing. Up first, Dan and Ron. They're on equal machines. Both got the same upgrades, but Ron's unfit. Whitby has red eye syndrome, so he can't not win. 3, 2, 1, go! Round 1 of the Bulldog mini bike Super National. Winner, round 1, Danny Whitby. Winner. Next up is Eaton versus Powley. Took a surprise win over Powley. He is a mini bike champ.
Missed the gear change, didn't I?
Apparently he missed the gear change. There's always an excuse when it's Powley involved. Isn't that right, Powley? Things are getting serious here, Mr. Ian. Dirty track. Ron's warming his tyre up. Warm his tyre up before the start.
You can't warm your tyre up, mate. Now it's just full of mud, it can go anywhere.
Right. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god. We have got Powley with the early lead. Eaton in tow, going through the rollers. Eaton's boosting it, not afraid. Here comes Powley. Grab Eaton's close on. Oh, Eaton's fluffed up. Ron's gone into safety mode, controlling his shot. Eaton's taking all options, including cheating. Here comes Powley! I just got that, did you see that? Did you see that?
I had a bike malfunction. I don't think it's fair.
Technicality. Winner!
No, I'm going to swap machines and do him on the 90.
Ran out of fuel.
Yeah, I'm going to do him on the 90.
Okay, so we're back at it. Fresh straight back into it. We've got.
Give me a head start on up the hill though.
What?
Well, he'll just pull away from me. Oh. He's got twice the power. Starting with excuses already. Well done.
Factory, mate.
Mini cross.
It's a break.
Winner was Ron Powley. This is for a 3rd overall victory.
Still chatting.
The super finals coming.
So, number 256, Samson Eaton. Next to him is Aaron Powley. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Start. And they're off. Samson with the early lead. Oh, Ron's making advances on the oh scrub. Samson's pushing everything into the corner. Bit of dirty tactics there, pushes Aaron Powley wide. He's got the inside line here. Oh, impressive. Samson's in, blur it out.
Double loser. I'm out. Woo.
Smashed it, mate.
Super final. Super final. Right, so seeing as Whitby won heat number 1, he got a direct transfer through to the main. So as a not a forfeit, but as a disadvantage, he's now in the super final, but on the 90. Ron's got twice as much power. But that's just how it goes.
I've also got twice as much weight that I'm carrying.
That's just how the final goes. So, super final coming up. Three, 2, 1, go! Goodbye! Whitby's foobarred it and gone wide. He's not going to win.
Well, I gave it everything.
We've been racing hard all day, about an hour.
Oh my god!
This is an injury succumbed due to going absolutely full chat, mate.
When you go ham, you get your own little slice of ham. Delightful.
I don't really know who the winner is because Whitby was on a bike with no power and Ron weren't that far ahead of him, so
I'll beat him on that.
I'm just going to call it a draw.
Okay, that's it then.
Invitational winner until the next round, which could be next week. Thanks for spending the day with us. Cheers guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace out.
Catch you later.
Peace out.